Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby. Happy Monday. I hope you guys are having a terrific day and a terrific start to your week. We are at Walgreens today to do our deals for this week, and Walgreens is looking pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. And we still have our Unilever promotion going on Fetch Rewards, where if you spend 30 on participating Unilever products, you will get 10,000 points, which is equivalent to $10. Again, that bonus doesn't pop up on the homepage of Fetch Rewards, but it is advertised in the Walgreens ad. So once you scan your receipt with the participating Unilever products is when your bonus will pop up and show how much you're already tracked. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that today. You can do a limit of 2 per account, and I only have one more time I can do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that today. And a couple other deals. I have a spend 20, get $5 Walgreens cash. It's been a while since I've had one. Walgreens has been giving me either a spend 50, get 10, or spend 20, get 5. There's no in between. And I haven't gotten any paper boosters lately. Maybe I'll get some today. So we're gonna work with that today. I'm super excited. And I have my guy with me today, so we're gonna go in here and catch the deals. He's a couponer in training, so he's taking notes, trying to figure out how mom is doing this. But I will have my printable list down in the description box so you guys can go ahead and follow along with these deals, adjust according to what coupons you may have. And if you have a spend booster, put the deals into a spend booster, whichever. But if you are new, welcome. My name is Abby. I'm super excited you are here to coupon with us today. Be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. And if you do enjoy the video and Walgreens couponing, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean so much to me. He's rattling his fox. We're gonna go ahead and get in here and see what kind of deals Walgreens has to give us this week. First thing I noticed was a Cetaphil cleanser on clearance for $6.29. That's already a pretty good price, but we do have $3 insert coupons, and sometimes I bought a rebate, so definitely keep an eye out, and if that's something you need, I'd go ahead and grab it on clearance. So I am looking at the Nexus. This week they are spend 20, get $10 Walgreens cash. And Nexus is a Unilever product, so it qualifies for the Fetch Rewards bonus where you spend $30 on Unilever products, you'll get 10,000 points, which is equivalent to $10. So I'm going to grab 2 shampoos at $16.99 each. That totals us to $33.98. I'm going to use 2 $5 coupons from the 8-1 Unilever. So I'd be down to pay $23.98, get $10 Walgreens cash for spending 20, and $10 from Fetch Rewards for spending 30 on Unilever products, making it $3.98 or $1.99 each. But we have some money makers today to help pay the cost of our Nexus. So now I'm going to go ahead and start using my spend 20 booster and do this Degree and Axe deal. This week the Degree and Axe deodorant is spend 20, get $5 Walgreens cash. So I'm going to get one of the women's Degree deodorants and one of the men's, and they are $5.49 each. And Walgreens gave us a buy one get one free digital for the Degree deodorant, so it'll take off the value of $5.49. We're also going to get the Axe because they are part of the same promotion. They are $6.49 each, and we have another buy one get one free digital for the Axe, taking off $6.49. So with these 4 products right here, after all those coupons, we would pay $11.98. Get back $5 Walgreens cash for spending 20, and then we're going to get $1 back for the men's Degree, $1 back for the women's Degree, and $1 for each of the Axe deodorants from Ibotta, so $4 total, making it $2.98 or 74 cents each. But we are adding it into our spend booster scenario, and we're submitting this receipt to Fetch Rewards to count towards our Unilever bonus and get some additional points. I know back to school is happening in a few short weeks, and I highly recommend checking out Walgreens for back to school supplies. They have so many good prices, 79 cents, $1.99 for all the essentials that your children need for back to school this year. Stationery, pens, you name it, they got it. I wouldn't pay full price for that. And if you have some Walgreens cash saved up, you could definitely use that to cover the cost of the school supplies. Another pretty good deal that I'm not doing this week is on the Arm & Hammer. I thought they were priced at $6.99 at my store, but they're ranging from $7.49 to $7.99. Either way, Arm & Hammer Laundry Care is buy one, get 2 free, and I don't think that's a bad price if this is your choice of detergent. If you're also in the market for Halloween candy, check your local Walgreens because they have it out already. Oh my gosh, summer isn't even over, y'all. What the heck?
I believe I showed this last week, but the chapstick and Walgreens brand chapstick are on clearance, ranging from 13 cents to 30 cents. If you are in need, I'd go ahead and get these, and they actually make pretty good stocking stuffers as well. Right, back to your scheduled programming. So the Colgate is buy two get $3 Walgreens cash, and they are $2.99 each this week. I'm going to go ahead and grab three at $5.98 and use a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. So I would pay $2.98 and get back $3 Walgreens cash, making it free, and the big guy approves. So I've seen a lot of possible double dips on this Crest deal for buy two get $4 Walgreens cash, which is glitching with the spend 10 get a $5 register reward. I don't want to play the gamble today, so I'm going to go ahead and buy one of these Crest toothpaste and three of the mouthwashes. They are $3 each this week. Again, buy two get $4 Walgreens cash. For every two you buy, you'll get that $4 Walgreens cash. So since I'm buying four, I'll get $8 back. But we're going to pick up four at $12. I'm going to use a 5 off of 3 digital coupon and then a 1 off of 1 digital coupon. So I'd be left to pay $6, get back an $8 Walgreens cash reward, making it free and a $2 moneymaker. And this is the tag I'm showing you where supposedly it could be glitching and double dipping with that spend 10 get $5 register reward. So I am going to do everything besides the Nexus in my spend 20 deal and the Nexus by itself. I also intend to use Walgreens cash today on my spend deals because I was building up my transaction to pay the cost down with coupons. So we'll go over that at the kitchen table. We're going to get home and see how everything went. All right, we are back home from Walgreens, and this is our haul so far this week. I may go back only because I finally got a paper booster. I think I manifested it when we were in the car that I was going to get one. Spend $35, get $8 Walgreens cash. I don't know. Maybe I could just save it for next week and then like add it into a digital spend booster and get more bang for my buck. But with these paper boosters, you can't use Walgreens cash to pay unless you're doing the contactless payment through the Walgreens app. So that's the only downside to it. But hey, I'm happy. I got it. It's been several weeks since I got the last one. So today we really just kept it light and simple. We were just doing deals for the Unilever promotion on Fetch and then free toothpaste. We get toothpaste for free all the time. If you're paying for it, that's a big mistake. We can easily get free toothpaste just by using digital coupons. And basically this whole haul was a digital scenario besides a Nexus. So the first transaction, I did the Degree and Axe deal, which was spend 20, get $5 Walgreens cash. The Crest and the Crest toothpaste was buy two, get $4 Walgreens cash. But I went ahead and did that deal twice. So for every two you buy, you'll get $4 Walgreens cash. So I was able to earn $8 Walgreens cash since I bought a total of 4 Crest products priced at $3. And then the Colgate, they're on sale, buy two, get a $3 Walgreens cash reward. So for this receipt, we have our Colgate. They are $2.99 each, so $5.98 total. All of our Crest at $3 each. The Axe were $6.49 each, and then our Degree were $5.49 each. All of my digital coupons came off. The Axe, the buy one get one free, the Degree buy one get one free, the Crest, the Colgate, and the other Crest. So my subtotal was $20.96. All these coupons right here totaled me $20 worth of coupons, which in Walgreens system, coupons count as cash paid towards your spend booster. They just count as cash. So I knew that I'd already spent the $20 required of me for me to earn that $5 Walgreens cash. So I was safe to use the Walgreens cash to lessen my out-of-pocket. So since my subtotal was $20.96, I went ahead and rolled $20 in Walgreens cash to pay 96 cents subtotal out of pocket. And I still earned back my rewards. So just make sure your coupons total up to $20, whatever your spend booster is. If your spend booster is $35, you can have $35 worth of coupons that counts as cash paid in the Walgreens system. And then you can go ahead and use Walgreens cash to lessen your out-of-pocket. You don't have to have that high out-of-pocket and the high totals. So that's what I went ahead and did today. I totally am going to give credits to Jody Dunn here because I watched her video last night and I was like, it's been a hot minute since I have used high value coupons to pay for my spend deals. And I was like, you know, Jody, she just always is so spot on. Her thinking is just immaculate. So I was like, you know what? We're going to use some high value coupons to get this stuff for real low and only paid 96 cents out of pocket. So what I earned back was $21.21 in Walgreens cash. So I earned back my $5 for my spend 20 booster. I earned $5 for spending 20 on Degree and Axe. I also earned back $3 for the Colgate, and I earned back $8 in total for the Crest. Like I said, for every 2 you buy, you'll get $4 Walgreens cash. I know there's a couple of glitches going around with certain Crest products where it is coded in the system where certain Crest products are the weekly deal, buy 2, get 4, or spend 10, get 5, and it's producing a $5 register reward, producing $4 Walgreens cash. I believe I seen last week it was on toothbrushes and flossers, and I just didn't want to play around with that this week. I didn't want to take the gamble in the guessing game, so I just went for mouthwashes and toothpaste. So that was that. I also went ahead and redeemed on Ibotta for $4 back for my deodorants. So $1 for each of the Axe, $1 for the Degree, and $1 for the other Degree. And I did scan my receipt to Fetch because the Axe and Degree products are Unilever products and will track towards my Unilever bonus on Fetch, which gave me about 23 cents. I was $5 short, which I knew that the Nexus would get me to getting my 10,000 points, my $10 from Fetch. So for that transaction, I just did the Nexus. They are $16.99 each. So I went ahead and used 2 $5 coupons from our Unilever insert, which my subtotal is $23.98. Now, same situation with this, where I need to spend 20. I'm not using a booster, but for the Nexus deal, you have to spend 20 to get your $10 Walgreens cash. My 2 $5 coupons totaled me $10. I knew I was safe to use $10 Walgreens cash because I had already paid $10 in coupons. That is cash paid, like I said. So I went ahead and did use $10 Walgreens cash to lessen my out-of-pocket. So I paid $3.98 subtotal after using my Walgreens cash. But we are counting the Walgreens cash back into our final cost as cash paid because they are rewards earned. So for that receipt, I did get back my $10.23, $10 for the spend 20 deal on the Nexus, and then I did get back $10.33 from Fetch Rewards for finally hitting my Unilever bonus with the Nexus products. So in total, this is $75.92 worth of product. Could you believe that? That all this is $75? Yeah, that's insane. Out of pocket, we spent $44.94 after coupons, but before Walgreens cash was in play. In rewards, we got back $31.44 total of Walgreens cash between both transactions. We also got back $10.56 from Fetch Rewards and $4 from Ibotta. And the Ibotta rebates are tracking towards my midweek bonus. I haven't hit it yet, but they will be tracking, so it'll be easier to hit it. That makes our final cost completely free, and we made $1.06 buying this stuff. Can you believe we got Nexus for free and made $1 buying it? I can't, because Nexus, you saw the prices in store, $16.99 they're at now. That's ridiculous. And Nexus has become one of my favorite shampoos. So to get it for free, I'll take it. So I guess that's it. It was really short and sweet today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you're doing any Walgreens shopping this week, and if there's any deals that I missed, I'd love to see it. And let me know what kind of clearance you have at y'all's Walgreens. I guess the clearance is getting kind of lower at mine. Last week we definitely had a lot more clearance, and this week it's a little slim. So yeah, that is it. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!